Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to use, instead of a hair gel, my favorite oil to smooth out my hair. Subscribe below if you haven't, it's totally free. Then I'm going to take my Bungee by Damien Monzio. I have the link below. He has a longer one and a shorter one, and then he has an even shorter one. But I love to use the longest one because I have thicker hair and my hair is long too, so I like to have it really secure. Just take it one end and hook it, and then wrap it all the way around. Then hook the opposite end. Sometimes the first end I need to take and hook it inside the ponytail. This also helps it to not come undone. Then I'm going to take a small piece of hair and wrap it around the bungee. Then with a topsy tail, I'm going to pull the hair through. Then I'm going to take my favorite hairspray by Aveda and just smooth out my hair. Now we're going to take the 4 pieces of hair. This is a 4-strand braid tutorial today. So take 4 even pieces. Start on one side. You're going to go over and then under. Then on the opposite side, you're going to go under, then over. I'm going to show you again. You're going to go under, or over, I'm sorry, then under. Then on the opposite side, you're going to go under, then over. Again, over, then under. Then the opposite side, go under, and then over. And just keep repeating that pattern. It does take a little while to get your fingers used to this, but once you get used to it, it's actually quite easy. And it makes a beautiful pattern. I love it so much. This is one of my favorite braids. I wear this all the time. I either do it like a really low ponytail or a medium ponytail like I have right here. Then, because my hair is longer, I take it and put it over my shoulder. And then sometimes if the braid's upside down, like it is here, of course you're just going to make the pattern the opposite way, but you can always look in the mirror and see which way the stitches are going to go. And it's pretty easy. Then I'm just speeding it up, just braid it all the way to the end. Then just take any hair elastic and tie the end. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed this. Again, if you liked this video, please subscribe below. Just hit the red button. It's totally free. I'd love to have you join the family. I also have Instagram. I do videos over there as well, different ones. I do reels, short tutorials, and also longer tutorials on IGTV. Thanks for watching. Love you guys.